Akbar loved hunting and used to escape to go for hunting even from his studies. Well, later he became a better rider and hunter than any one of his courtiers. One day when Akbar went for hunting, he and some of the courtiers went so fast that they left the others behind. As the evening fell, everybody got very hungry and thirsty. They found that they had lost their way and now did not know where to go. At last they came to a junction of 3 roads. King was very happy to see the roads that now he could go reach his capital through one of these roads, but which road was to go to his capital, Agra? They were all thinking about it and could not decide it. In the meantime they saw a young boy coming along one road. The boy was summoned and Akbar asked him, "Hey young boy, which road goes to Agra?" The boy smiled and spoke, "Huzur, everybody knows that road cannot move, so how these roads can go to Agra or anywhere else?" and laughed at his own joke. Everybody was silent, didn't say a word. The boy said again, "People travel, not the roads." "Do they?" Emperor laughed at this and said, "No, you are right." The emperor asked again, "What is your name, young boy?" "Mahesh Das," the boy replied and asked the emperor, "And who are you, Huzur? What is your name?" The emperor took out his ring and gave it to the boy. "You are talking to Emperor Akbar, the king of Hindustan, India. We need fearless people like you. You come to the court, with this ring I will recognize you immediately. Now tell me the way to get to Agra. We have to reach there soon." Mahesh Das, bowing lowly, pointed towards the road going to Agra, and the king headed on that road. That is how the Emperor Akbar met the future Birbal. Your own channel Diary of Stories. Thanks for support.